Welcome to Real Easy Cooking with Robert. I'm Robert. We're at local Kohl's store. We're shopping. We're buying more pots and pans. You may have seen in one of the last videos I was trying out a batch of red pots and pans. Well, I actually really like those ones. So I'm here to buy a second box while they still have them, because one box isn't enough for my average cooking and 2 sets of them will give me everything. So let's go in here and go buy some and I'll show you what they have. Okay, so we're inside now, and I think we're going to get this set here that I already like. It's in the red box. They have the box deal. It's cheaper than buying them individually. And I really like these pots and pans. I like the color. I'll point out everything else I like about them when we get back to the house and use them next. All right, so we're back home now. I got the box here. I actually had to go to 2 Kohl's because I forgot my wallet and had to go back like an idiot. But it's a pretty decent set. It has a lot of everything, but like I said before, it doesn't quite have enough of everything for an actual kitchen use. So we had to get 2 boxes of it and see what's included in there. A lot of lids. They love their glass lids with this. Glass lids with a vent hole. Well, now let's open it and make sure that nothing is broken. Okay, this is packed quite ingeniously. That's a polite word for it. I'd say it's packed like an asshole. Hey, got a piece of cardboard out. We're making progress. It's like playing Jenga just to get the damn thing apart. Okay. They love their lids. And the rest of the box is empty. Let's see. We have a pan, a smaller pan, a long-handled deep dish fryer, saucepan, what size is this? 6-quart. Small pan, and a whole mess of lids for everything gets a lid. Everything but these 2 rounded edge frying pans. But surprisingly, these lids fit them also. So, it's not very well. Oh, there we go. There is the second set. What I like about these, besides this brilliant color, I mean, that is just some great color in there. This extra line of ridges transfers the heat better. It's aluminum for transferring heat, but the ceramic coating actually works fucking amazing. Nothing sticks to it. Burnt cheese don't stick. I tried making an omelet, burned it like hell. Didn't stick in the pan. I was quite impressed. But like I said, this is our second box of them that we bought, just so I can have enough to always cook here. So the old pots and pans, we're not throwing them away. We're gonna use some of them at the office, give some away, and some of them will be demolished in science experiments, you know how that goes. So, impressive. I like these. They were on sale at Kohl's. They, last time were like $119. Now they're $79, and we got $10 Kohl cash, so that makes effectively like $69 for a set of pans. Not bad. 2 sets makes it even perfect. I'm pretty happy. You'll see a lot of these now from when we're cooking. And for Real Easy Cooking with Robert, we are done. Welcome to Real Easy Cooking with Robert. I'm an idiot.